Hello friends, welcome back to Dream Degree Abroad. In today's video, I am going to guide about the complete application process of University of Tor Vergata. University of Tor Vergata is one of the best university in Italy. This university offers multiple scholarships and you can get the regional scholarships as well. So must apply in this university. I will guide you the step-by-step application process, so stay tuned till the end. First of all, go to the official website of this university. I will share the link in the description, so you will come directly to this page. Here is the list of programs in which you can apply, and there are many English taught programs for international students. Before applying to any program, must check its language first. So let's suppose I choose a program, and here is the detail of the program. So this program is in Italian language, so must check the language first and then apply. Now I choose another program with business administration. Click here, and here is the detail of the program. Scroll down, and the course type is Master of Science, School Economics, Department Management and Law, and its language is English language, and duration is 2 years. This is master's program. Scroll down, and here is the overview of the program. Now let's talk about the application process. To apply in this program, click on Apply Now. A page like this opens. Scroll down, and here is the detail: program type, degree program, type of access, mode of delivery, language and duration, and then click on Apply Now. After clicking on Apply Now, here is the option. You have to choose New Academic Year Intake 2026. Click here. And now here is the complete detail of the application. Read all these instructions carefully. Scroll down, and here is the admission requirements, required documents, pre-enrollment and enrollment procedure. Read this carefully and then scroll down. Click on Apply Now to apply. Then a page like this opens. Now here you have to click on Start Application Procedures. Now you have to choose your program. So my program was about economics, so I choose Faculty of Economics. Choose this and click on Next. Now the next step is course selection. Here you have to choose your course. After selecting your course, move to the next. Click on Next button. Here you have to enter your personal information, including your name, surname, your gender and citizenship. Completing this section, move to the next. Click on Next button. Now here you have to enter your date of birth, your state of birth. Select EE for international students. Then you choose your country, foreign city or of birth. Then enter your email, mobile number. By completing this section, scroll down and move to the next. Now here you have to enter your permanent address. Select your state of province, country, foreign city, zip code and telephone number. Enter them and move to the next button. Click here. Now this section is for those students who have any disability, so you can leave this empty. Move to the next. The next step is the required documents. Here you have to upload the following documents: your CV, passport, your degree details and English language certificate. First of all, upload your CV. Click on Enter. Click on Choose File and then click on Add button. Similarly, upload your passport. Now upload your degree. Click on Enter. And here you have to enter the detail of your bachelor's degree. First, enter the name of bachelor's degree, then enter the length of the program, then name of the university and then country. Scroll down. Now add the PDF of transcript. Next is your degree achieved or not. Click on Yes if you have achieved, and then enter your final grade scale minimum and maximum. Then enter your GPA and then GPA minimum and maximum. Then enter your graduation date and then PDF for bachelor's degree. Upload PDF here. Then scroll down and enter the years attended during bachelor's. So after completing this section, click on Add button and move to the next. Now upload the English language certificate. Click on Enter. After uploading the English language certificate, move to the next. Click on Next button. Now if you have any additional titles, then choose Yes, otherwise choose No. After that, move to the next. Move to the next. Here tell the main source of information when you decided to study at University of Tor Vergata. So choose option one of them from where you heard about this university. After choosing, move to the next. Now you have completed all the steps of the application, and by scroll down you can check your filled application, your personal information, permanent address, self-certification and declared titles. After checking all your information, you can submit your application by clicking on Confirm Displayed Information. After submission of your application, This is the last step to complete the application procedure, that is payment of application fee. The amount of application fee is €30, and after payment of your application fee, your application will be considered for further evaluation. But first take note of these codes and then print your application. After that, here is the PDF to pay your fee. Click on this PDF. Here is the detail that how to pay your application fee. They have given the tutorial for the application fee payment. I also guide you about the application fee payment. First of all, go to Google and search Pagopa payment. Click on the link. After clicking on link, a page like this opens. Here you have to enter your notice code and pay text code. Your notice code and pay text code will be given on your challan. So you can write here and you can view an example. This is the example of the challan and this is the notice code and pay text code. So you can write from here, from your challan, and after that click on continue. After clicking on continue, there will be the detail mentioned about your application. You have to simply go to the payment and by entering your email and mobile number, you can pay your fee using credit or debit card, and there will be the other options as well. And in this way, your payment will be done. And also you are done with applying to University of Tor Vilkata, and your application will be considered for further evaluation. So this was the step-by-step application procedure of University of Tor Vilkata. Hope this video will be helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and also visit our website dreamdegreeabroad.com to know about the latest scholarship opportunities around the globe.